Hi, I'm Cody Pelletier, CEO of Laurel Windows. We're here at our Boston location at the Boston Design Center in Seaport. We also have two other locations, one in Brevard, North Carolina, one in Woodstock, Georgia. We are here to guide you through the entire process of ordering windows and doors for your project, whether it be a commercial multifamily building or your dream home. We are here to guide you through the design aspects. We're here to help you through the purchasing process. We're here to help you through delivery and installation and following support. We are here to make the entire process as smooth as possible, and we look forward to working with you. What customers are looking to get and achieve by going with an OKNOPLAST product is the amount of customization. You can go from black on black, wood grains, you can do double hung, single hung orientations, grids, muntins. You can go full glass doing larger volumetric systems. You can go into a higher profile home. You can go with an aluminum profile, which can be a hidden sash. It can be passive house. They're all thermally broken aluminum. You can go with our slim line, which is going to give you the most glass, least amount of frame. We even have historically accurate steel profile windows that are, again, aluminum and thermally broken. And we've had them approved for historical projects around Boston. A few of the topics that we very much appreciate at Laurel Windows working with OKNOPLAST is their technical support is outstanding. The ability to have a technician to train installers on projects, and the fact that they guarantee water tightness on buildings is monumental. 7 years ago, when we were looking into the idea of opening Laurel Windows as a premium window and door supplier, we toured Europe trying to find the best of the best when it comes to tilt-turn windows and large volumetric doors and sliders. We're paying attention to the fine details, like the way that they finish the corners, the amount of steel that they're using in their reinforcement, the quality of the finish, the amounts of customization, and the willingness to adapt to a new American market. And we feel like we found that with OKNOPLAST.